In this video, we'll be evaluating the integral from the 2023 MIT Integration Bee. First, let's simplify the denominator. So then here we have, then top, we have 1. Then here, the bottom. Then here we have x plus 1 to the third. Then here, x minus 1. Then both top and bottom times x plus 1. Here, x plus 1. Then next, we are going to combine these two terms together. Then we have, then here just combine these two together. That's x plus 1 to the fourth. Then put these two together. Then just x minus 1 over x plus 1. Here, dx. Then we can move this one outside. Then here, x plus 1 squared. Then here, just a square root. X minus 1, then x plus 1. So then we can do a substitution by that t equals this part. And here we have t equals x minus 1 over x plus 1. Then both sides take a derivative. Then use the quotient rule for the right hand side. So then we have x minus 1, take a derivative. Then here x minus 1, then x plus 1, take a derivative. Then the bottom, x plus 1 squared. Then this one is a 1. So this part is 1. Then simplify the numerator. So then we have 2 on top. Then here x plus 1 on the bottom. So now let's continue this equal sign. But before we do the substitution, let's swap these two terms. Then here we have, first, that is a square root. Then x minus 1 over x plus 1. Then here we do the second term. So the bottom, that's x plus 1 squared. Then we need to do something on the top, because here dt equals 2 over x plus 1 squared. Then here we have x plus 1 squared dx. So we need the 2 on top. So that's why here we're going to put the 2 on top. Then keep a balance. So here we're going to put the 2 on the bottom. Okay, so now you can tell, so this part, just dt. So now we can do the substitution. So under the square root, that is a t. Okay, so let's do the substitution. Use a t to replace all the x. So then the first part, that's a 2 square root t. Then this part, just dt. And here, so this integral just square root t plus constant c. Then we have the back substitute. What is a t? T is a x minus 1 over x plus 1, then plus constant c. So then this is a final answer for this integral. Thanks for watching. See you next time.